I can see mighty power of God is moving over the northeastern youths.
Yang atau nginang mabun northeastern katalan tang semlan tang makawang saki kawang ngan wong majun ngai la.
Be prepared
Tau kai tenta bu tanya.
for the great call of God.
Kawangan nyepuhi pang menang cailak cengat nang tenta bu tanya.
Especially for my loving Konyak brothers.
Tau kai especially tau kan bu Konyak katalan de iuba Konyak cina nyanawalan de iuba.
Many people comes in our life,
Mabu katalan teman ayan na painang.
but they take advantage of us.
Yang boy iman na teman ayan dala yang advantage iman aja nang.
We are in the suffering.
Teman na sausi buhi pang mana.
We are in the troubles.
Yang teman sangsi buhi pa sangat sausi.
No one is able to sort out our problems.
Yang awo teman dapai bu sangat sausi bu as a problem awo solve nengo.
Especially eastern part of Nagaland.
Yang nyena is the part of Nagaland.
There God is going to do amazing move.
Atau nyujung ma bu kawang ma bu katalan tang macula nang.
Where all people are deceiving this community.
Ma ambu kanting ma hatau kata akung da hangsena lo alam.
All are exhorting them for the money.
Ma bu katalan iman hatau ki singai nganjung na iman yonga mugtak pucang.
There is very few to teach the true word of God.
Yang boy kata atam bas kawang ngam ngabu kawang sagi na myang ngabu kata atam hengonang.
God seen the trouble.
Tau jeng na kawangan na masausi wong nginang.
He is going to give encounter to the people.
Iman kawang iman kung kemutang ma encounter na myang atam nagcina kawang temyang wana.
Church services are going to be changed.
Church teman yumnok cembu hatau hipak teman service hatau kong kembulai jai tamgla.
Like that God will take control, even worship will begin, it will go hours and hours.
Hatau kia mabu hatau kia teman cembu bang hatau kia hipak len bu yeseng ba hatau kia kawang pai worship na myang hipak tampai gla.
Many people are going to set free from the demonic spirits.
Yang mabu katalan hatau enu yahab buyan lak katalan mangai gla.
This is the time of revival.
Tau kai hatau hipak teman revival hipak ona.
I know many people are discouraged and disappointed to see the community and the people.
Yang mabu katalan yonga kata adalah yang akung adalah yang discourage ni yang bu yang lawang atai bu kata atam wana.
God is there.
Yang bu nang pai kawang wana.
God is for you.
Kawang nang cing wana.
Last word I want to speak it. It's very serious word and I believe God is going to talk to you.
Ikam na tau hadau iyang hadau yang serious hadau yang bongpong nang hadau iyang tau naman cing.
That is the truth, reality of the people. They backslided in their heart to see the people even they don't want to attend even.
Hadau ating nang hadau kata atam na layang kata cing senyang hadau kia yom no ka tailak noi mong ye pan paba mong ye paba hadau kia yong lawang atai bu yom no ka ye tai bu kata ma bu hadau kia kata aku atam na layang hadau kia yom no ka tailak la noi lawang atai bu kata atam nang kia.
Where gossiping becomes so much fashion among the people.
Yang ambu kanting ma yong cahai cara ngunga bu cahai cara tiang tai ibu pa iya sebu hadau bahim mada yang ngonang kesin.
But very few are praying.
Yang boy hadau yom kata atam hayup nanggi ating ba.
I want to tell you.
Tau kai tau ihu ba.
No one disgrace you from outside, but from inside people, those who are closest to you.
Awo aro outside bu kata lan nang da awo discourage na men meng yang boy nang fai yong close ni meng bu nang kata hai nang da hai discourage ni meng phanang.
If out of Christian any people doing any kind of a things that not impact our life because it's out of Christianity.
Teman out of katalan teman kata ya ji alau katalan nang da district meng bo yang nang da lo lam bo nang da ya takla hangheye si bo meng ma ia alau kata na meng bo chine.
But among Christians,
Yang bo teman Christian katalan.
if someone do something,
Kata teman nang da atam leng bo
it impact over our life.
Hatau teman da yong tak apa ni.
When we preach,
Teman kau kunyau ya pai.
when we teach,
Yang teman nyau tam ya pai.
people look at us.
Teman da lainang.
But when we go out,
Yang teman taya pai.
we eat
Teman hak nang.
this.
Teman sata.
You can get the example.
Teman lepu harun nang semua nang pai.
Everyone watching.
Mulan lainang.
What kind of memes we are posting?
Am bukan ting ma teman angi pala ma teman posting nemang bu hadau. Post memang public hadau senang.
Whatever social media we are doing,
Hangi pa social media ma teman hangi leng hadau.
everyone looking at,
Mulan lainang hadau.
and others are backsliding.
yang alokat alan hadau the yong
They will
backslide
say, look at them.
iman na inang hadau iman na ledo
They also sin.
iman no chayang
We also sin.
iman no cha
But this is the time of transformation.
yang boy hadau hipakan nang jeng na lay jay bi
Rabba Shamtana, I believe this is the transformation
tau
time.
khai tini tau hadau hipakan nang ayan jeng na lay jay bi hipak cha sa tau ating
One word.
cha ngaulam
David also got discouragement.
David do yong hat discourage hipak cha pa yang
In Psalm 41 verse 9.
Psalm 41 verse 9 me ba
Cheated and deceived by his own person with whom he going in the temple of God.
e ka ta mu ira hadau kia kham jeng da pai kham jeng do cham so cham ha cham long ngo bu ka ra cha David de yo lo tau bo
But he never stopped.
yang bo e au po yala ka ong da tang lak
He knows the God called me.
e sing yang ke ada ka ong nya kyam ke se
People will come and they will go.
ka ta la na pai gla ka yang tai gla
You are in your journey.
tau kai nangan nang jeng nan nang a journey cha ngonang hin kem ba cha
It means when you run in the race,
tau kai au ban nang pha cha pai
there are a lot of people will run with you.
nang pai ka ta ma bo phat kala
But your target should be to win.
yang boy nang jeng target nang mak tak pian nang hai oklak sa hai phat ku bang nang
Not to lost.
nang a los lak palam nang ma lak palam nang phat ku yiche
Let people as they are running.
kada lana phat ku e phat yang boy teman phat lak
Let them someone falling, let them fall.
kada atam iman hau man hau ya
But my target is the winning.
yang boy nang jeng target hangi si tu man oklak pa hengon
Because after that you are going to get reward.
hang jeng ne si bun mek ma ban nang oklak pai phat ku ban nang ok pun mek man nang da hang hau tau lak hadau sing nang
May God bless you.
tau kai mo lan da ka ong man